going on today, guys? I'm Kevin. This is Entertaining Entropy. Super excited to be the one to share with you guys how to set up forging of your NFTs, breaking them down into attributes and recombining them together. In this tutorial, let's start by hitting the edit mode from the top right-hand corner, and we're going to place the NFT Forging Building right in your farm. And I didn't have enough space, so let me go ahead and clear this out. Forging is going to allow me to take a single NFT and break it into multiple NFTs for the attributes that it had. So here I could either get NFT attributes off to the left-hand side, forge those NFT attributes together, or use Fusion, which is coming later. The get NFT attributes is where I take a single NFT and I break it into 4 different NFTs for each of the attributes, reward and a body and all that. And then forge NFT is where I take those attributes and recombine them together. These could be purchased, they could be ones that I got. Fusion is going to take the pieces that I have left over and combine 4 of them to make one of a higher rarity. So 4 commons would make an uncommon of that same part, for example. Here, let's start by disassembling. I'll go ahead and click the disassemble option, and I can see the different categories depending on which type of NFT I'm looking for. I have pretty much all of them, so I can basically choose whatever. I'll go for the harvester. Here, it'll allow me to then push the plus sign here and see all of the different options of the NFTs that are in my inventory. I'll be able to select the one that I'd like to disassemble, but make sure this NFT has full health, is not upgrading, is not on an adventure if it's a cat or a dog. And you'll see for 5,000 goldie and 4 hours of your time, you'll be able to disassemble this NFT. It will also refund you 1,000 DFL if you use any of the naming functionalities for your NFT. 4 hours later, you'll be able to claim these 4 different NFTs. Let's check out what that looks like. So by clicking confirm, I'll come back later and go to the NFT Forging Building again. And from the disassemble side, I'll go ahead and click on claim. This may have a timer. I could boost it if I wanted to speed it up, but I could also select to approve and collect the things once they're done and I can claim them. You'll want to make sure to approve all 4 transactions for all 4 of those NFTs to arrive in your inventory. And there it is. On the other side of things, where I'm assembling NFTs, this is where it gets really exciting. I'll collect my Goldie, I'll collect my DFL, and I'll bring it over into my in-game wallet. This will allow me to then go to the NFT Forging Building and click on the Forge Gen 0 NFT option. Assembly requires me to have 4 different parts of one single type of NFT, but I'll go ahead and select an Epic Harvester Plow here to give me epic energy, lots of energy with a nice rare wheel, a rare tube, and a rare body to build this DREAM NFT for me. This one will cost me 85,000 Goldie and 55,000 DFL and 3 days of my time, which is a lot of time. So if I wanted to, I can actually go and boost this as well. Looking at that, clicking on the NFT Forging Building, I'll go ahead and just click Forge and Claim. And from here, I'll be able to select the harvester and see it in progress here. This little button with the arrows allows me to accelerate the time, and it does cost a little bit, but I can go ahead and do that if I wanted to speed things up. Some additional notes that I wanted to add in here, you can notice up in the top right-hand corner, the NFT tab now has an attributes option where different categories are available depending on the different types of attributes that you have. You can see my harvester attributes are listed here. You'll also notice I have the ability to go to the marketplace and see my NFTs as well as the attributes which I can put up for sale into the marketplace. So selecting one of these, for example, I can go ahead and set a price to list it in the Defi Land marketplace. This also allows me, as you can see from the attributes tab, to go and purchase NFT attributes to build again that DREAM NFT, fuse all the best parts together and get what I want out of that NFT forging. Don't miss the achievements. You'll notice that Roger's added a couple achievements here for you to get NFTs assembled, a certain number of amount spent on the NFTs and things like that. If you're looking for any price calculations or anything else, would be found on the Defi Land Medium website. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's episode.